Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the net and anchors. Choose nylon for weather, cotton for indoor softness, because material changes drape and longevity. Measure the span, then cut with 5–10% extra so you can tension and tie. Next, place anchors at 30–60 cm intervals depending on weight, and pre-test each with a small load. Once done, secure corner loops first. Make sure to leave slack for adjustments, so you can shape the net without overstressing any single anchor. You now weave and shape the net onto anchors. Start at opposing corners and work toward the middle so tension distributes evenly. Use clove hitch knots for fixed points and slip knots where you may adjust later, because those choices affect long-term stability. Once the main mesh is attached, add support lines every 1/2 m under heavy clusters or lights to prevent local sag. Make sure to step back frequently and inspect symmetry. Adjust tension with incremental pulls so patterns stay consistent across the surface. You finish by trimming and securing ends. For synthetic nets, melt 1–2 cm ends to stop fraying, and for natural fibers, tie neat overhand knots. Then attach decor, clips for lights, small ties for foliage, and balance weight so no area exceeds anchor capacity. If you notice sag or unevenness, first retension the anchors, then add targeted support lines at roughly 1 support per 0.5 m where needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if a knot slips, replace it with a clove hitch and redistribute tension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.